So I just got this really cool grill brush right here from XUDAKAIXIN. They sent this out to me to test out on my grill here. So I've been using it. It works really, really well. So first off, it has a scraper, so you can scrape off all the stuff that is stuck on there. So of course that works really well. You can get in between there as well, using the little tip inside there. And then it comes with 3 of these sponges that are stuck on there, just with the Velcro. It's really strong Velcro, so it sticks on there really nice. And then you do wet these sponges down. Then after that, you can really clean your grill really nicely. And then this I really like because it doesn't have the bristles, which are extremely dangerous, so I should avoid those. Use something like this. It's more like a steel wool type of thing. And that will clean your grill just as effectively without the danger of the bristles. And then nice long handle, nice and sturdy, really comfortable to hold. It's angled too like that, has that curve, so it makes it really easy, ergonomic to use. And then it has a hook there as well, so you can hook it onto something when you're done. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice grill brush, then definitely check these out.